Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into Appkarma and confirming your profile details so rewards link correctly. Once done, grant location and notifications. These let the app log offer progress and deliver timely bonuses. Make sure to set your payout method now, whether PayPal or gift cards, because some rewards require a linked account. Tap through the initial tutorial to unlock starter points, then open the offer wall to see paid tasks. This first step gets you immediate earning opportunities. You should work through offers in order of value and expiry. This maximizes earnings versus time spent. As you complete installs or in-app tasks, follow the exact conditions. Reach a specified level, keep the app open for X minutes, or submit required survey answers, because partial completion often won't credit. Once you finish an offer, monitor offer history to confirm credit. If an offer fails, use the retry or dispute option immediately, include screenshots, and note timestamps to speed resolution. You redeem points by selecting your payout option and confirming once you meet the minimum threshold. Expect processing times listed in the app. If credits don't appear, file a dispute through the Help Center with clear screenshots and timestamps, because specific evidence speeds fixes. Finally, keep the app updated. Clear the cache when tracking acts odd, and cross-check community threads for known offer quirks. Doing these final steps prevents lost rewards and keeps your earnings flowing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.